So the next topic is characteristics of matter. There are three characteristics of matter. Particles of matter have space between them. Particles of matter are continuously moving. Particles of matter attract each other. First, particles of matter have space between them. From the last two activities, you can conclude that how sugar, salt, Dettol or potassium permanganate got evenly distributed in water. So it is clear that particles of matter have space between them. The other particle will uniformly adjust between the other particles. This example we can also take in when we make tea, coffee or lemonade. When we make tea, coffee, lemonade, we use different ingredients and they will mix with each other. They will not remain separated. So we can taste the taste of tea also, sugar also and other ingredient also. Which means the particles of matter have space between them. Now next, particles of matter are continuously moving. How? For this you have to perform an activity. Put an unlit incense stick in an corner of your room and observe what will happen. How close do you have to go near it so as to get its smell? Or you can smell wherever you are sitting in your home. Now, what is the observation and conclusion? When you burn an incense stick, it will release vapor or gases which smell very nicely and will spread into the whole room and nearby places, and you can smell it very clearly. Why? Because the vapor or gases which are coming out from the incense stick will adjust or will take space between the particles of air, moving particles of air. They will evenly spread in the moving particles of air. That is why the particles of matter are continuously moving and you can smell it everywhere. Now the third characteristic, particles of matter attract each other. How they attract each other? In any object or any substance, how particles will attract each other? For this you have to take a coin, chalk and a rubber band. Now you have to do hammering, stretching or breaking them. You will observe that you find it easy to break a chalk piece and it is very hard to break a rubber and coin. Why? Because there are force of attraction between the particles of coin and chalk. The force keep the particles together, so they will get tightly bind together. That is why you cannot break them by hammering or stretching. So that's all for today everyone. Have a nice day, stay safe.